STEM camp focuses on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And the students are learning through hands-on activities what we have to offer here at TSTEM.
So get ready and don't throw away your shovels just yet because we got some grave robbing, so let's get into it. It's showtime.
The second part of Beetlejuice just came out this year, and so that was the theme. He has been going from class to class, actually being a part of the learning for the students. And so the students are actually very excited to see them, or him, popping into class.
Today I learned about foam explosions. Today I learned about how to work with other people. I learned about the environment here in TSTEM, and I got to meet new people. We learned about the fossils and we dug them up. We learned about how all the parts go together.
So it helps you academically with your classes and just in general to be more creative.
What we also have here, we do have fine arts, and so they're going to be putting together a little presentation for our 8th graders, and it has to do with the movie. And so giving them the opportunity to come here and explore the different opportunities that they have in STEM perhaps opens up their minds to maybe careers that they wouldn't have thought about.